Welcome back, Mini Masters. This is like basically half a day before I go back to the US, and I only have one plan. Get all the Chaos Emeralds that are currently beaming up to the sky, and then maybe talk to Tails a bit. So let's go do that, shall we? I've come for the yellow one. Give me the urine stone so that my bladder can now empty. I'm gonna stop talking. That don't make sense. Thank you for beaming light into the sky to help me find you better. Anyway, let's try getting the red one now. Okay, so I've realized traveling from these weird parts, from these islands to islands, is going to be very difficult. So I might as well just talk to Tails now before I have to come all the way back. That's a big mech.
It's an assault model Death Egg robot. It looks pretty entrenched. I'll take a look around. Let me know if you find...
Oh no, I sense a minigame.
You don't see something like this every day. These things are tough to take down, even for me. I wonder what took it out. Maybe that ghost girl.
Or the Titan.
Hey, Sonic, I found a remote control.
Bro, you were just looking.
Still online.
Oh, that's the thing from last episode.
See what
Okay.
Eggman was trying to do with this thing. And if it goes bad, you can shut it off.
Oh boy. Alright, let's do this. Activate the death. Oh, what? We're gonna access the death egg? That's fun, isn't it? Oh no. What is this? We're in the hacking mission. Use 2 different attacks to hack the program. Move with that, light shot, oh, dark shot. Count the program's attack. Imagine the color of the program shots. Each successful count will fill the homing laser meter. The meter is profiled with powerful homing lasers by pressing R2. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's like space invaders. Okay. Oh, I counter the attacks. Shoot me, you all. I'm just good. Well, that was certainly a weird minigame, but fun nonetheless. It only took me 2 tries. But you'll never see the first one because I'm a master at editing. Not really, but you know what I mean. Uh-oh. Well, why'd you do that? Sonic, you're not gonna say anything? Wow, there's nothing! Who would have expected such events?
That did the trick.
What trick?
Yep. It revealed a subterranean pathway.
Yeah, but why did you need that?
Whatever took out that Super Badnik might still be lurking around.
I hear that. Thanks, buddy. I'll see you later.
Okay. What's the objective? Again? Where is he this time? He's all the way over there? Okay, I don't care. Actually, no, he's really close. I'll just go talk to him real fast. Alright, what you need, buddy? What you need? Oh, no. 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 Not again. Not again. I can already sense a minigame is coming. Whoa. This is going to lead to a minigame. I can already tell. And I don't like where this is going.
Yo.
Hey, this Coco is an apprentice to their top pilot. They need to find the parts to complete their final weapons.
I don't like where this is going.
I'm sure you've run into this scenario already. What did you do?
Run.
I helped them out.
But isn't that cruel? Their battle is
Oh,
no
come
more.
on, man. Don't
This
make me
feels
feel like that.
dishonest.
Yeah, but it helps them put them to
Fixing the problem
peace.
they think they have. We are bringing them peace.
Well, when you put it that way,
Yeah, don't worry.
let's get to work.
We'll watch him die. Oh, okay. This is gonna be a funny troll, don't worry. Oh my gosh, bro, why you keep coming everywhere? Oh, it's 1,000. Alright, now I'll go get the Chaos Emerald now. Okay, what is this about? It's jump rope? Really? Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy, jump out, friend, jump friend, okay. That was annoying. I thought we had to boost again. I thought we had to boost like last time. I didn't know it was jump rope. These tasks getting weirder and weirder. That was a big one. Wow. Oh, Coco. I need to talk to him real fast. What's up, Elder Coco? It's been a while. I need power. I need speed. I need so much speed, bro. I need to be literal. Okay, really? I collected so many of your children just for 2 speed levels. Okay, I see how it is. All right, I'm gonna go collect the Chaos Emerald now. I see you, Spider. Are you ready to clap this time? I swear, I feel like I don't remember what you did, but like I feel like there was something bad. I can't remember what. I remember you hit me, but I don't remember what happened afterwards. Can I? Okay, my good sir, may I side with you? What? May I side with you, please? Thank you. No, you're not ready for me. That works. Alright. Yeah, that, yeah. I don't remember what happens afterwards though. I just remember that happened. Oh yeah! The danger, yes, I recall now. My memory serves me right. Yeah, I just gotta go to the skydiving part, and then I just obliterate you. What the heck, I did not see that. We're just gonna act like that didn't happen, okay? Because it's gonna hurt my feelings. Okay, that didn't really work. Die! It's you and me now, buddy. Nah, you ain't running for this. You just ain't running for this, bro. No. Okay, not again. That time I actually hit it. I don't want to press it anymore. You ain't running. You are not running for this, bro. That's what I thought. That's what I thought, okay? Now if you'll excuse me, I'm going to Chaos Emerald. Oh, hey, Tails. I know I can't talk to you right now, but oh my goodness, bro, I swear. It feels like these Chaos Emeralds are sentient the way they just completely avoid me the second they leave. Bro, I just had to go through like so much parkour. Oh man. Good gosh, bro. I got the white one. I'm not gonna make a comment on that for my own sake. I'm just gonna go with the red one now. Okay, finding the last Chaos Emerald is a bit more difficult than I anticipated. So in the meanwhile, I'll just play a level for you guys. Alright, let's see what this one's gonna be about. Okay, what the heck? Okay, is it quite cinematic? Is it weird start to a level? What? What was that? Am I drifting? Dude, what could Sonic drift? But yeah, why is he drifting? I don't see the need for him to be doing this. How did that work? Is it making the grass slippery? That's weird. Okay. I'm just gonna curve as much as I can. Me personally, I don't want to risk anything. Okay. What is that? Why are there crates? Wait, no, that's not crates, it's barricades. What the heck? Why are there barricades? Okay. I just skipped all those rings. Did I get S rank though? That was weird. That was short and weird. I got S rank though. That's worth something, I guess. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay, well, I found a memory that I could use. I don't think it was important to the story by that much, but, okay. What do you got for me this time, Tails? Talk to me, buddy. Okay, there you go.
We're at a pretty high altitude. It's hard to say how high due to all the clouds.
Any higher and we'd risk Angel Island bumping into us. Pretty harsh conditions for anyone to be living and working under.
Ancients must have had a reason for coming up here.
He's cool.
Given the infrastructure, I don't think this was a residential area. It seems more like military front lines.
First strike position, huh? I mean, those cannons aren't just for show. With everything we've seen, just what kind of enemy were they preparing for?
Titans? Bro, how did you not connect to this, bro? They were clearly having to fight the Titans. Alright, whatever. Let's go get the Chaos Emerald. Oh no, it's Tower. Can you stop, sir? Oh yeah, I forgot. We can climb you. Ow, okay, I forgot I'm not supposed to climb you because you hurt. Stop. Okay. Die. Yeah. What you get, Stinker? What you get, Stinker? You stinky? Okay, it's actually trying to get someone now. What's good, Tails? It appears as though I cannot access the red Chaos Emerald at this point in time, so I'm just not going to. Instead, let's indulge with the story a bit more and then on the episode.
We need a few more pieces, but we're having trouble finding.
Here's a minigame.
Gotcha. Be right back.
Are you gonna shoot yourself through that? What are you doing? Oh boy, mechanical collectible. White boxes, collect machine cards is crazy. Gather 600 parts before time is up. Alright, let's do this. Oh, I have to individually collect them. Close call. Sorry, I wasn't talking that much. I'm just really focusing right now. Because the lava's rising, I'm stressing out right now. Okay. That's fine. Come on. Report's in there, come on. No! Come on! Oh, let's go! Oh man, first try! Oh, I think Chaos Emerald to go. Oh my god, I got the Sprite flavored. Oh my god. How much time did I have left on that? I think it was like a couple seconds. That's like the second late game clutch we've ever done.
Well,
Whew.
that's it.
You were building a cannon? Those sure were words you
The
said.
wrong parts.
No, their hero didn't show. They're worried something's happened.
Oh, little does he know.
It's like how I couldn't handle it after Infinite attacked. One wrong turn and I fall apart.
Well,
Whoa, what?
what? You didn't do that bad after Infinite.
The others are counting on you. I'm here to help, so don't give up, okay?
From what I remember, you weren't that down after Infinite's attack. Then again, I haven't played the game in like 3 years.
Worried, Tails. Wanna talk?
Probably more.
Not right now. Let's just focus on finding the emeralds.
Alright, you got it, little buddy, but I'm afraid we can't right now. And we probably won't be able to for like the next couple months. Well, that's the end of the... Why is the fortress... Oh my god. Okay, I can't be bothered right now. It appears to be the end of the episode. I hope you've enjoyed today's episode. And remember to keep on training. Go. Run, go straight ahead now. All I do is run, gotta save the world now. All I do is run.